My dear students, welcome back to the lectures of formal languages and automata theory. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss one more example of PDA. Here the language is L equal to W such that W belongs to A plus B whole star, and the thing is number of A's are equal to or less than number of B's here. So in the previous example we have seen number of A's are greater than number of B's. Here the number of A's are lesser than number of B's. So we will take the strings with less number of A's and number of A's lesser than B's. So we'll see here how we will construct, how we are going to construct PDA for this. This is the instantaneous description for this. Suppose let us consider any string. You consider any string here. Let us consider the string ABB AB. Let us consider the string ABB AB. So we are considering the string ABB AB. What is our first input symbol? Our first input symbol is A. So either your string may starts with A or B. If your string starts with A, please insert A into the stack. Though your string starts with B, insert that into the stack. After that, once A is inserted or otherwise B is inserted, if A comes again, then insert A into the stack. Same input symbol arrives. Same input symbol. If the input symbol is A and top of the stack is A, insert them into the stack. If the input symbol is B, top of the stack is B, insert them into the stack. If it is a different input symbol, suppose if the input symbol is B and top of the stack is A, pop that A from the stack. If the input symbol is A, top of the stack is B, pop that input symbol from the stack. Like that. See, this is the description, instantaneous description which works. Finally, whenever you take any string, we will be remaining with one B. In such a way, we have to take the string here. You may get a doubt that we may take very less number of A's than B's. If we take only one A and three B's, this particular thing will not get worked out. You have to take here. If it is a number of A's lesser than number of B's, you have to take less number of A's than B's, only a single character. I mean, if you take three B's, you have to take two A's only. Less number of A's than B's. If you take two B's, you should have only single A. So this is how we will construct the PDA. And this is the instantaneous description for the PDA. And we will also see how we will verify the string here. This is the simulation for the PDA. We have taken the string ABB AB here. First we will start with A. So we have inserted A into Z0, and after that the next input symbol is B. So here the different input symbol is encountered. That's why we will pop the element from the stack. So we have deleted A from the stack. Now the stack is containing only Z0. The next input symbol is B. We have inserted B into the stack. The remaining input is AB. What is the next remaining input we have here? After inserting B, we have the next input symbol as A. So whenever the different input symbol is encountered, remove that top symbol from the stack. So B we have removed from the stack. Finally, only one B is remaining. So whenever we have only one B remaining, we will directly go to the final state with that input symbol B. So no need of these two steps here. If you add these also, no problem. Doesn't mean that we are not performing push operation or pop operation by reading the input symbol B. That is why no need to worry about these two steps here. We can directly go to the final state with the input symbol A. This is how we are going to construct a PDA. And you please refer the problem of push-down automata with more number of A's than B's. In the same way we have followed. There we will be remaining with single A. There we are remaining with here the stack is remaining with single B. That is the only difference we have seen. So please follow the same procedure to draw the diagram also. This is the simulation. Simulation is nothing but the verification process. And we will take any of the strings, any of the valid strings, and we will verify that particular string will get accepted by the PDA or not. And please remember these steps. This is an instantaneous description for the given problem. Again I am explaining, if the starting symbol is A, we will just insert. The starting symbol is B either. The starting symbol might be B, right? So what we will do, we will also insert. If top of the stack is A and input symbol is A, we will again insert. If top of the symbol is B, if input symbol is B, we will insert, go for insertion. So if you get the same symbol, we will go for the insertion process. If you are encountered with a different input symbol, we will go for the pop operation. So finally we will be remaining with single B, and with that single B we will go to the final state. This is how we are going to construct a PDA. Then this is the simulation process. Hope you all understood. We will continue with one more example in the next video lecture. Thank you.